Hello, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm going to show you how I trade them from my iPhone. I do all of this from my iPhone. I set my trades from the very beginning. As soon as I open the trade, the stop loss, the take profit, and the trade open is already set. So once I set it, I leave it, and the trade is good to go. I'm going to show you trading on Bitcoin and Ethereum and how I make money on the swings of the trades. I'm a multi-millionaire. I've been trading for 22 years. If you've been watching my videos for 3.5 years, I've had $1 million days sometimes. My students have made multiple millions of students, millionaire students, which is beautiful. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up, and turn on the bell. If you're skeptical, just watch my videos. They're for free every day. I make them 2 videos a day showing my trades and what I do in the markets. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. The market a little bit, Tesla pumping yesterday up 4% and another 4% or 5% in pre-market. So Tesla breaking out as I predicted, by the way, perfectly calling that breakout on Tesla. I bought 100K off 100. I bought at $100 or less. Most of my position. It's now one of my biggest positions, Tesla, which is perfect. Let's go into Bitcoin. The rest of the market slightly down. Bitcoin slightly down. Bitcoin still in this downtrend line on the 4-hourly. You can see here that it's just coming down on this trend line. Got rejected here again, most likely coming down to here and then breaking out. It's showing strength though. This was all this announcements from the SEC banning Bitcoin, Coinbase getting sued, Binance getting sued, and not much movement down on Bitcoin. So I am very bullish here. On the hourly, the trade from yesterday activated. The trade from yesterday is now activated slightly in the profits. We're getting a lot of support at this area. You can see it keeps wicking off the bottom here. You can see multiple touches down here on this 26,000. But I do think most likely we come down and touch this white support line. You can see here. See how we've had 1, 2, 3, and it looks like coming down again 4. So there will be a short-term bounce off this trend line, I think. Stochastic is heading down on the hourly, on the 4-hourly also coming down. 15 minutes it's oversold, but I do think we come down a little bit more to that white trend line. So what I would do is go long off here. I would open a long on Bitcoin from these supports. Why? Because when you look back, you can see that we had these supports, so it will get a bounce here, most likely. But you can see here that this support here is a strong one as well. So I'll put that trade from there. I always put my trades a little bit lower, so I always take a little bit less risk per trade, which is beautiful. So I would do the trade from there, stop loss just underneath if the trade works or it cancels, and getting a bounce back to this resistance. 10 risk to reward ratio trade, risking $82 per Bitcoin to make 829 Bitcoin. I'm going to set this trade and it's going to be set and ready to go after it's going to be set and left. The trade opens at the gray line, 25,703. Stop loss 25,620. Take profit 26,500. That's that short-term trade I'm going to set on Bitcoin. I'm going to set that right now. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do under the video, go down in the description. Learn to set up your charts. 1, take the Crypto Master Course. Learn trading. Learn to set it up. 2, trade on Bybit. You get $30,000 worth of bonuses. 3, join our free Telegram. There's more than nearly 9,000 people in there trading together. The links are all in the description. Once you sign up, so I'm going to set this trade over on Bybit. My Iota trade is currently $1,000 down at the moment. It's a $107,000 trade. I've got more buy orders for Iota at 17 cents. At 17 cents, I've got another $5,000 buy order for Iota. I'm going to add more to that position, but first I'll set my Bitcoin trade and then we'll discuss this. I've also got already a Bitcoin trade here set at 25,000, but I will modify this. I'll cancel this trade and set a new one according to the new TA. So I'm going to open the trade on Bitcoin at 20. Wait, it's going to load this trade in a second. 25,703. The trade will open. 25,703. I'm going to do 1 Bitcoin trade. Let's do 2 Bitcoin trade, and then I'm going to set take profit is going to be at 26,533. Stop loss 25,600. 26,533. Take profit. Stop loss 25. Let me check again. 25,600. So I'm risking $206 to make $1,660. confirmed, open long. It's a 2 Bitcoin trade. Order cost $5,700, value $51,000 trade. And my take profit is set at 26,533, stop loss 25,600. Confirm. That trade is now set. It's ready to go. It's set and forget. Now that trade is already organized. So now I can go about my day, go to the beach, go do whatever I want, live the life of a multimillionaire, which is the best. And that trade is already set and ready to go, which is beautiful. Let's look at Ethereum now. Actually, let's check out Iota. So that's a Bitcoin trade. Also on Bitcoin trade, I've got this bigger overall setup on Bitcoin from that white trend line, which you can see here. This is the this big white trend, this channel that we're in. So you can see that's where I've got that bigger trade set up on Bitcoin. And that bigger trade is from 24,700. Actually, I'll set it when it comes down there. Whoops. This is the bigger trade that I want to take from that white trend line. Its risk to reward is 29 times, risking 435 to make 13,000 without leverage. With 10x leverage, 130,000. With 100x leverage, $1.3 million trade. Now let's go into my Iota trade, because this is one I'm building a big position here. My goal is to have a $250,000 position. And you can see here that Iota is bouncing off this descending trend line. We're getting a few bounces off this descending triangle here. This one here. You can see that we got a descending triangle. This trade has fluctuated around so much, but you can see it's moving here. Descending triangle. If it breaks, the point it breaks out should be here. If we don't get a bounce from here, it's going to look very dangerous for Iota. The yearly support where a good buy order would be also here at 1690. We have major support at 1690, a yearly support line that goes back a very long time when you zoom out. And now you're going to see why I'm taking this trade on Iota. When you zoom out, you can see that Iota is sitting on a major trend line. The only time it came under this trend line, these two supports here, that's another area to buy, so I'm going to put buy orders. The only time it came under this trend line is back in March 2020 COVID crash. It came down, but besides that, it had a massive bounce off this bottom of this trend line. You can see here, like that. And if it does this again, if it breaks out again and comes to $2.60, my trade value, the profit on this trade, on Iota trade, it looks like it's down a lot, but it's small compared to the position. If it comes back to $2.60 in the long run, it's a $1,452,000 profit trade. And that's why I'm adding more to this position. I'm going to set more buy orders here at 1680, these green lines, these blue lines, 1680 and 1537. So I'm going to set more Iota trades at 1680, 0.1680. I'll buy another order by value. I'll buy another 5. You can only do it in maximum $5,000 lots. So I'll buy another $5,000 at 0.1680. 0.168. It'll add another 5,000 confirmed. That trade is set. So you can see I've got buy orders on Iota at 16 cents, 80 and 17 cents, and I've got that Bitcoin trade, and I've got this Ethereum trade, which is beautiful. Again, if you want to trade like you're seeing me do, under the video in the description, go down below, sign up to the crypto master course, learn how to trade, learn how to set up your charts like I do, learn how to get it will also give you the crypto bots like this one. And look at there was something very interesting for Tesla as well. Look at the crypto guru bot. The crypto guru bot fired a buy on Tesla down here in 2019, right? If I had a buy on Tesla in 2019 at $16, it then went all the way up to $410. That was where it turned blue and said buy on the Bitcoin, the crypto guru bot. Then it said sell. It came down to $103. And look at this. It fired a buy yesterday. We bought it at $100, but the crypto guru bot fired a buy yesterday, and it broke through this major resistance line. It just smashed through it. The next resistance at 252, but at the momentum Tesla's going, I think we're going to $300 very quickly, which is epic news. Thank you for watching, everyone. Those are my trades on Bitcoin, on Iota, and Tesla. Tesla's one of my biggest positions now, and it's up another 5% in pre-market, which is amazing. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell, take the course, follow the steps down below, 1, 2, 3, take the course, sign up to Bybit, join that free Telegram. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.